Do you want to learn how to add an email or domain to group view in Notion Mail? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Currently, I'm on this view, the travel view, which I've created by clicking on this new view button and going over to use template and scroll down. You're going to find this travel. It's going to put all the travel related emails inside it. And now on here, you're going to find these are the domains that it has grouped by. And I want to add a new one like this. How to add it? You just have to go to edit view, or you can also press Control E, which is going to open up this edit view section. Now on here, click on group. Inside it, these are all the domains that are added, and I will remove this from here. I want to add another one, right? There's no manual button to add it. You just need to type it here. The domain which you want to group by, just type it here. And now in suggested, you're going to see the domain. On the right hand side, you're going to find a plus button. So click on it and it's going to get added to the travel group view list. Now, if you want to add an email domain, you can also do that. So if I type in G here, it's going to say suggested this. This is an email and I can add it as well. And it's going to show all the emails from that email domain. And that's it. That's how to add email or domain to group view in Notion Mail. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Notion Mail tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.